I'm going to create a space on this wall where we can have the artist feature their work. So we're going to put a square here and then link it to the website. So we'll start with this cube space, and I'm just going to draw that here, and we'll edit some aspects of that a little bit here, which if I recall correctly, this makes it, whoops, wait, that's going the wrong way. I'm going to make it skinny like so, and then we'll increase this size here, and let's say maybe 3. Okay, and then we'll do 2. And that is probably about the right dimension for the video. So we're going to position this here and maybe right about there. Alright, so now I want to make this look like a screen, and we're going to change the texture. And I think blank could be good, but we could also maybe put a color there. Well, no, the color doesn't matter. Okay, so we're going to link to the website. Okay. Okay, so now I want to link to the website, and I have media selected, and we'll choose. Guess that's okay. And just pasting the link to my video.
The jutting wires are. Could it be that one of the employees had the desire to play secret agent and cut them off?
So the YouTube video has loaded in, and the thing I wasn't quite sure about in the moment was how to refine that so that just the video that I want works. But as we know from some of the tools, we can see about using that differently. So zoom in, all these little features work. Cool. Little escape action there. And I guess we'll call that success.